Well, darn it. Well, you're stuck here for 3 months. Darn it. You moron. Well, I gotta go. Oh my god, Waylon. Why do you gotta do that in front of me? It was the closest toilet. You Waylon. A learner. Go yourself. What plan shall I do? I have an idea. I clone myself. Hi. Hi bro. Let's fire our lasers to break out of jail. Good plan. I'm a firing my laser! Now it is our time to escape prison for the second time.
Hi brothers. Hello. Let's go on vacation to Broadmoor. Yeah, awesome idea. Man, that was fun yesterday.
I know, right?
Let's play Angry Snurbs.
Sure. Can I join?
Sure.
Same here.
Absolutely.
Thanks. Well, it looks like you stinking modulator and P10 failed. And also hanging with a toilet and an air horn. Get the out of here, you two big buckets. Okay, you stupid morons.
How did he escape prison again?
I have no idea. P50, make a boat to get to Broadmoor. Okay. Let's get on and save CS8. Great idea. Crap. P50 got away.